guys, welcome back to my channel. This weekend we got to purchase this new bed for this room, and so I actually ended up staying up all night Saturday. It was the night the time changed, so I was a little confused about, I thought it was like 2, but it was really 3 in the morning. So I just continued to stay up until I finished. There are still a few things that I want to do, but I am loving how this room is turning out. It's an awkwardly built room, so it's hard to get things arranged in here. And the bed is not in the ideal location for me, but it still looks fabulous. So I can't wait to show you. Okay, so as you walk in this room, there's this kind of awkward wall. So I just have one of these ottomans that I purchased from Target a while back, and it's really great because I can keep extra blankets and that kind of thing in there. And then it is a good drop-off spot for book bags, that kind of thing. So that's kind of what you see when you first walk into the room. This is the dresser, and I cleaned it off and tried to declutter it. To end up taking this cake stand that I was not using to put like lotion and that kind of thing on so that it doesn't make a mess all over the dresser, and then just pictures and that kind of thing. I also cleaned out the drawers, and I used the KonMari method to fold, and I actually consolidated. This stuff was in like 2 drawers, so I consolidated it into one, and it's not even completely full, so that's awesome. And I did the same thing with all the drawers, so I'm just going to show you in a few. I can't remember how many pairs of jeans are in here, but it's like an astronomical amount for a small drawer. And then I ended up keeping this glass table. I was going to get rid of it, but I kept it. And I just put 2 plants on either side, a mirror, a diffuser, and then there's a little fuzzy bench down here that can be used to put on makeup and that kind of thing. And then I have this basket down here that's white and gray that has like getting ready supplies, like extra lotion, hair things, that kind of thing. And so it can kind of just stay up in here and it's out of the way. I also have this Ray Dunn piece that jewelry can be put in, and extra change and that kind of thing. The TV is still in the same spot. I need to find a way to hide the cord. The initials are still on the wall, and I actually want to paint those black, but I have not done that yet. But here is the new bed. So let me see if I can get like a good angle on the bed. I ordered this bed from Wayfair, and the mattress I ordered from Walmart. I really love the texture of the bed. It's good quality, and it was fairly inexpensive. We took all of the teal out and just left some black and white pillows, and I just put a gray blanket at the end of the bed. Then I moved the bookcase over to this area where I have a lamp that can be used like for reading at night, that kind of thing. A couple of candles, another fake flower. Of course, I didn't design this, but there's a drink in there, obviously. Left some empty spaces, which I can see are getting filled up, but there's just a basket of some things. For some reason, there's brownies in here. Didn't do that. This little area, I guess, made a good place for school books because those were not there. I put like technology stuff in here, like chargers and that kind of thing. And so they're out of sight, but they're convenient to access. And then there's makeup in here. Got this bookcase at IKEA. It was very inexpensive as well. And the door handle came off, and we still need to fix that. But in the closet, I used a shoe organizer to put things like hairsprays, extra lotions, extra body wash, all that kind of stuff, so that it is out of the way, but can easily be grabbed and used. And then it kind of looks like this. It's not perfect, but I do like it. It functions much better. There's a place for jackets here. I have a basket that has scarves and that kind of thing. And then there's the container of beads for making necklaces and bracelets and that kind of thing that she does. And then clothes and shoes. And this is actually, I have one of these baskets in all of our closet. I'm not really sure why it has a bag in it right now, but it's like the perfect size. And so when it gets full, you take it into the laundry room and it's like just a full load of laundry, and that works out really well. And then right here, I just hung some command hooks to hang necklaces on and bracelets and that kind of thing. So, and then of course there's the full length mirror, so she can see herself when she gets ready, because that's important. But here's one final look at the room. And I hope you guys enjoyed my new room tour. We're all very excited.